This will be a quick tutorial to demonstrate how to view course grades and instructor feedback in Blackboard. There are a few different ways that you can access course grades in Blackboard. If your instructor has placed a link to My Grades in the left-hand navigation, you can simply click on the link to access your grades. If your instructor has not included this link in the left-hand course navigation, you can still access your grades by selecting Tools, then My Grades. Once you enter My Grades, you will see a total that displays your total grade in the course and all grade items that calculate into your total grade. If there were any due dates set for the items, you will see those as well. You may notice some different indicators while viewing your grades. A dash indicates that you have not completed the item, so no information will be available for you to view. The checkmark symbol indicates that you've completed an assignment that is being graded based on completion, such as a course survey. In this case, you will not see a points or percentage grade for this item. The yellow exclamation symbol will appear after you have submitted an item and indicates that it is waiting to be reviewed by the instructor. The blue pie symbol indicates that you have an attempt in progress for an item. For example, if you started a quiz but you did not submit it, or if you saved an assignment as a draft to submit later. A circle with gray slashes through it indicates that the grade is exempt for you. If you do not complete this assignment, it will not affect your grade. A teal speech bubble symbol indicates that the instructor has left feedback on the grade item. You can click on the speech bubble to view your instructor's comments. Grades for items that have been graded will display in My Grades, but you can also view additional feedback and scoring information for graded items by clicking on the name of a grade item. The information that you will be able to access will be dependent on what feedback your instructor has chosen to release to you. To view additional grade details and feedback for a quiz or test, click on the name of the grade item. You will be taken to a page that will provide additional information such as when the item was due and when you submitted your attempt. Click on the score to view more details about your performance. Depending on what your instructor has chosen to release to you, you will be able to see information such as questions answered correctly or incorrectly, correct answers, and any provided feedback. Instructors have control over what can be viewed and when it becomes available to students. So if you have any questions about what you're able to see, you should contact your instructor. Clicking on a discussions grade item in My Grades will allow you to view additional grade details as well as all of your activity for the discussion. This will take you to an area where you can view all of your activity for the discussion item. To the right, you will see your score and any feedback that your instructor has left. If the discussion was graded using a rubric, you will see this icon. If your instructor has made it available to you, you can click on the icon and see the rubric scores that you received. Clicking on an assignment grade item takes you to an area where you can view any digital annotations that your instructor left on your paper, as well as additional instructor feedback. As with discussions, if your instructor used a rubric to grade your assignment, you can view your rubric scores by clicking on the rubric icon. If your instructor has enabled plagiarism detection for the assignment, you can also view your Safe Assign plagiarism report here. You can view the report by clicking on the Safe Assign drop-down and selecting View Originality Report. This has been a quick overview on how to view your course grades in Blackboard. If you have additional questions, please contact Teaching and Learning Technologies at tlt@kumc.edu or at 913-588-7107.